Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are at Bluefields Beach, one of the few free beaches that's left in Jamaica. And it is being enjoyed today by Jamaicans and tourists alike. Beautiful, clean beach. Beautiful sand, lovely view of the Caribbean Sea. You can get your fish up border on your way coming down, so you have something to eat when you get here. Or you can come and support the locals who have their grill out with their jerk and their snacks and their juices. There's something to drink up on top there. Yep, all the tents are food, and you can come and support the locals. But look at this. Sunday is always a beach day in Jamaica. Anyway, from when I was a little girl growing up, Sunday was your beach day. You would fry your chicken early, make your corned beef sandwiches, and you sit out on the road for the beach, whether it was Puerto Seco or it was Elsha or Bluefields or whatever beach. But Sunday was beach day. So today's Sunday and we decided to have a beach day. And here we are with everyone, guys, just having a good time, enjoying the day. It's a beautiful day. We just had a little rain, but the sun came back out and it's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe the channel and grow with us. We have a lot more to do in the future, so come along for the ride. Bye-bye.